Number 5.
Also guys, we found these really cool drones. They're called the DRC D20s. They come in 3 great colors, but my favorite is obviously the blue.
They also have a super clear 720p camera, which makes it really easy to see when I'm flying around.
Sometimes we just love to go outside and race each other.
It's so fun to just fly around, especially when I win.
Yeah, there's a lot of really cool tricks I can do when I'm alone, when she doesn't want to play.
It's so easy to do, you have to check them out.
Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
See the world through a whole new lens. HS710 from Holystone, equipped with an adjustable camera and better resolution. HS710 allows for quieter flights and no motor maintenance thanks to the brushless motor. It's perfect for getting stable HD images and great for outdoor use. It arrives with 2 batteries for more fun and has a GPS system so you can fly longer distances. Never miss a good moment with the HS710. Holystone.
Number 1. Hey, good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. Well, it's morning in my world and it is the month of October, so it's a little chilly out, but the sun is shining, so I'm taking advantage of another sunny day before the snow comes. Anyways, today I have the 4K F11 Pro. So this is, yeah, you remember the F11? The F11 was probably the most popular drone I ever reviewed. You know, that was a while ago. And then they made the F11 Pro. I think that just had a bigger lens. It was more, yeah, it was just a better lens for filming. And now they have this one here, this F11 4K Pro. So what's so great about this one? Well, let me take it out and tell you. So here we have the drone. Doesn't it look familiar? It looks like, well, the F11. It's the same style. Except for when you get down to the camera, check that out. There is a 2-axis gimbal on that camera and it's electronic image stabilized. So this camera gives you the best of both worlds. It's pretty darn sweet. So let's flight. All right, so let's get going. We'll take the controller this time and start that first. Now the controller is very different looking. Let me grab my GoPro here and show you it up close. So check that out. It's a little bit different than other controllers that have come in the past. There, I've just flipped up the top, put the antennas out, pulled out the handles. So why is it a little bit different? Well, look at the screen. You can actually see the writing on the screen. So the screen is not your typical screen. It doesn't have like an LCD display behind it. It actually has the letters, the words are right there and the symbols, and then a light shines behind them. Will I be able to see that outside? I don't know. There we go, I just powered it on. Can you see any difference? Well, actually, you have to put a little bit of shade on it to see it, and you should see that GPS. You should see the GPS stands out more than everything else. It's in green. Next thing we do is power on the drone. Should see some lights as it powers on. And I don't know if the gimbal adjusts itself, but there we go. You can tell me. All right, so you got your drone powered on and your controller powered on. Next thing is connect your phone.